how to make a good first impression no matter where you are and who you are speaking with. Did you know that you have 7 seconds from your speaking with somebody to show a good first impression? And maybe you are thinking, 7 seconds, that's very fast, but that's how it is, and you need to be prepared for it and know how you show the confidence from your side and how the body language works. And about body language, we made another episode about that, and I think you really want to see it because it tells you everything about how you speak with your body language, and that can help you to make a very good first impression on anybody. Did you know that your body language has 4 times more the influence than your words? Yeah, that's crazy. It's totally crazy, and that's what I thought first time I heard about it, and that's where I start to develop my body language skills, because it's have everything to do when you are communicating with anybody. It doesn't matter if you are in a meeting, a conference, to a party, your body language tells everything about you and who you are. If you start to be aware of it, of your first impression and your body language, you will see a huge difference in a very short time. I can promise you that. So one of the important things about first impression is when you shake hands. And maybe you have tried it before. I think you have, because we all have tried it before. When you shake somebody's hand and you get this slopey, weird hand, already there they showed a lack of self-confidence, and that's not a good first impression. So what you need to do is shake hand with a good strong hand, but be careful. If it's a lady, you don't crush her hand, because that's also not a good first impression. So you shake your hand good with a strong hand without crushing the other hand. But one important detail when you are shaking hand is look in the other person's eyes, and your head needs to be straight, not up, not down, straight with good eye contact and a small smile, not a big teeth smile that looks very weird. Slowly, nice smile without showing all your teeth. The next thing you need to do is show interest in the other person. And what do I mean with show interest in the other person? I have tried this many times, especially in my early career, when I met somebody that I knew a little bit and they say hey, and we were speaking, and then the other person was looking all the way around like I was nothing, and he was not interested in me but interested in everybody around me. And these things you really do not want to do, because you never know who you are standing in front. Maybe they are not successful yet, but maybe they will be very successful in the future, or maybe they will be your client one day in your business. So always show interest in the other person you are speaking with, no matter who it is. And that leads to the next. You need to show respect. It's almost the same, but respect how you talk, how you show yourself, and do not look arrogant. Do not show yourself off. Show respect, because that's also what you will get from others. If you show them respect, you will get respect back. A simple tip that you can use every time you meet a new person is listen. Do not take all the talking part. You need to listen. Remember one thing, you never know who that person could be, or who that person knows, who they have in their network. What you can have, maybe you can have a business career with them, maybe you can build something with them, or they can be your client or anything. So always listen more than you talk. The next thing that you could do and should do is be positive and charismatic. There's nothing worse than meeting somebody that's always negative. I think you also have seen it before. You go somewhere where there's a lot of people and somebody introduce you to something and the other person looks negative. Maybe the other person is not negative, but they are not thinking about their body language and how they show themselves, and they are not showing themselves as positive. They are not showing confidence. They are showing that they are nervous and they are lacking confidence, and you really do not want to show negativity. So show positive with a little smile, with your chest in front, and show confidence that shows positivity. When you show that you are a charismatic person, when you show positivity and you show confidence, it's contagious to the other people around you, and that's a very positive thing to be known for. And the last thing I will speak about on this list today is something I see in many people. They are trying to be somebody else. You need to show that you are an honest person and you are yourself. You are not pretending to be somebody else. People can see it on you very, very fast, and maybe you have seen it, and I think you have, on other people that try to show something they are not or somebody they are not. So it's very simple, just be yourself, because people will like you for who you are and not who you are pretending to be. Remember, if you didn't subscribe to this channel now, subscribe right here and ring the bell next to it so you get notified every time we upload a video like this.